you don't know how to solve these type of equations here that involve fractions, you'll know how to do it at the end of this video. So the first thing is that we notice we have two fractions here on this side. So how we combine these is that we do a simple three-step method. We bring the bottom left to the top right, then the bottom right to the top left, and then we multiply our two denominators. So what it looks like going from this to this is that we take the 3 and we multiply it by the x plus 2. So you have 3 times x plus 2 plus, we bring the 2 up to the x plus 4, 2 multiplied by x plus 4, and then that's all divided by 2 multiplied by 3. And of course, it's all still equal to 4. So multiplying out the brackets on top, we get 3x plus 6 plus 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 4 is plus 8. All divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, is of course still equal to 4. Now the first thing is that we'll group everything on top and then we can add them together. So we have 3x plus 2x plus 6 plus 8, all divided by 6 is still equal to 4. Now we can add all of the like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 6 plus 8 is plus 14. All divided by 6 is equal to 4. Now essentially we can just rewrite 4. So 4 is the same thing as saying 4 divided by 1. So we can divide this by 1. So 4 divided by 1 is of course 4. The reason being is because when we have a fraction equal to one fraction, we can cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we bring the 6 up to the 4 and we multiply it. We take the 1 up to the 5x plus 14 and then we multiply that. So essentially what it will look like, you'll have 1 multiplied by 5x plus 14 is equal to 4 multiplied by 6. 1 multiplied by 5x is 5x. 1 multiplied by 14 is just 14 is equal to 4 multiplied by 6 is now 24. So my next step now is I know that I want to try and solve for x. So what I'll do is if I take the 14 to the other side, it will become a minus 14. Essentially what's happening here is I'm subtracting 14 from both sides. So I'm going to get 5x is equal to 24 take away 14. And then here I get 5x is equal to 24 take away 14 is 10. So 5x is equal to 10. What that's saying is if I take 5 and multiply it by some number, I get to 10. So how I solve for x is, well, 5 multiplied by some number, I get to 10. So what I want to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So if I divide the left hand side by 5, divide the right hand side by 5, because of course what you do to one side, you must do to the